Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I want to share a super cool feature from Viral View that makes searching ASINs so much faster. So once you start getting into collaborations and some brand deals, you'll get sometimes a list of ASINs that you kind of have to click through one by one by one to figure out what's the best product to possibly work and do a video for. And Viral View has an amazing thing that's called the ASIN Finder. And you can actually use this a few different ways. I'm going to show you one way that I like to use it. But it basically, you take a group of ASINs and you put it in this ASIN Finder, and it quickly is going to put it in a spreadsheet form that you can easily analyze the data using Viral View's data to make better informed decisions. So let's check it out. This is your Viral View dashboard that you can do so much from. I absolutely love this. It's so useful. So here's our ASIN Finder. Now, I've got a spreadsheet here from a list of ASINs that an agent sent me to say, hey, do you want to do videos for any of these? Now, I could go through one by one by one and grab the information that way, but not very time efficient. I'm all about maximizing my time and being efficient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and copy these ASINs, head back over to Viral View dashboard, and I'm going to paste them here and then hit submit. And watch what it's going to do for me. So it's going through the different ASINs and it's going to break it down. It says new info. So you've got your spreadsheet. So you've got a lot of heated items here, and it's going to show you the image. It's going to show you the ASIN, the parent ASIN, the price, what's the revenue on here. Here's your viral score. And here's what commission you could expect. Here's how many videos there are. Here's the rating. And really gives you information super fast and in a very quick and easy to view form to see what you might want to focus on from that list. And you can sort it here by top viral view score, best revenue, price, whatever you're looking for, how many influencer videos are, etc., to make a better informed decision on how you want to use what ASIN, what product you want to focus on. And you can, if you're like, you get to a feature on here and like, I don't really know what to do here, you just click on this little learn button over here on the top right, and they've got a great video that is going to tell you exactly how to use that option. Now, if you've got a super long list of ASINs, of course, it's going to take a little bit longer for everything to populate, but then you can go through and you can filter down based on different criteria, all of the different columns they have available to really narrow stuff down. Now, what I did here, my sample thing is a fairly short list, and so it's pretty quick. It's got 14. Let's make this a little bit longer. So you can go through here and see, see everything. But I love this feature. It makes it so fast to be able to look through that list without having to click on each individual listing and make a better decision when you are doing your product research, whether it's for a brand collaboration or for just your own personal use. But I love this feature. It just is fabulous. If you love this feature too, Viral Video has so many phenomenal features. This is just one of many features. Grab my coupon down below for a discount to get you the best price possible, whether you do whatever tier you do, a monthly or an annual plan. They have whatever is going to fit your needs. But love this. I hope you enjoy it too.